It's raining. Don't go out, ah. But it's raining. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Elijah wants to play. Wala, no? Grabe. It's raining now. Oh, kumikidlat pa. Raining, raining. Raining, raining. It's raining. Oh, wear your slipper, puppy. It's cold. You know it's raining. It's raining. OMG. Rain, rain, rain. Come again another day. Little Elijah wants to play. Are you still little Elijah? You're big for you already. Ooh, the movie could that. Oh, little Elijah wants to play. Oh no. Oh no. Ay, ano, malakas. Tatalsik. Ulap. Oh no. No. Where you going? Don't go out. It's raining, Brycey. See? It's raining. Baba. Don't go out. Don't go down, I mean. You stay in the porch. You stay in the porch. Let's get inside. Let's get inside now. Shh. Come on. No, don't play with water. Don't play with water. Come on, come on. Let's go, baby. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go, Brycey. One. Don't play with water. Naglaro na ng tubig. Don't play with water, I said. Alulod for more. Come on, let's go. Shh. Let's go. Lika na, lika na. Let's go. Ba, alika na, alika dyan. Look at her, she's walking without umbrella, oh. She forgot her umbrella, she's walking. And it's raining. She got wet. She is wet. Oh no, she's wet. Poor girl. She got no umbrella. Let's go, Baba. Let's go. Lalaro ka na ng tubig. When we were young in the Philippines, every time it rains, we take a shower with the rain. You wanna do that too? Huh? You wanna play with water? You wanna take a shower in the rain? Like, huwag yung kalulot.